of this evening's program. What we are going to do is play the song before the fake last song. First, we're going to play the song before the fake last song. Then I'm going to introduce the band again. Then I'm going to say, hey everybody, thank you so much for coming out tonight. This is going to be our last song. Then we're going to play the fake last song. Then I'm going to say, thank you, good night. And we will briefly pretend the show is over. And then moments later, we'll turn around with looks of great surprise upon our faces and play 2 more songs. So this is the song before the fake last song.